Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the laptop fully off and unplugging the charger. Remove any removable battery to eliminate current. Once done, gather a flashlight, compressed air, 90% isopropyl alcohol, lint-free swabs, and a wooden or plastic pick, no metal. Make sure you're on a non-conductive surface and ground yourself by touching a metal object to discharge static. These steps prevent short circuits and prepare you to see and access debris in the charging port without risking further damage. Now inspect the port with a bright light. You're looking for lint, dust, or bent contacts that block connection. Use short, controlled bursts of compressed air held about 1–2 inches away and angled so debris exits, not deeper. If material remains, gently tease it out with a wooden or plastic pick, working from the outer edges inward. Never scrape pins or force anything. Make sure to keep movements small and deliberate, so you remove obstructions without bending contacts or leaving fragments behind. Finish by lightly moistening a lint-free swab with isopropyl and briefly touching the contact area to remove residue. Don't soak the port. Once done, let everything dry for 5–10 minutes so alcohol evaporates, then reinsert the battery if removed and plug in the charger to test. If it still won't charge, make sure to try a different known good cable or adapter before assuming the port is bad. If problems persist or pins appear bent, stop and seek professional repair to avoid motherboard damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.